Hi, I'm John, and I'd like to personally welcome you to Daily Walk in the Word. I started my channel because I love God's Word, and I want to help others grow closer to Jesus Christ. My heart is to help other believers understand the Bible better, to grow stronger in their faith, and to experience only the hope and peace that Jesus Christ can give. In every video, we will walk through God's Word together, one passage at a time. Together, we'll discover what the Bible teaches and how it points to Jesus, and how we can apply it to our everyday lives. Each video also includes a prayer time, because I believe God not only wants us to know His Word, but He wants us to draw closer to Him each and every day. Whether you're new to following Jesus, or if you've been walking with Him for many, many years, my prayer is that these videos will encourage you and strengthen your faith, and help you to know Jesus more deeply. If that's what you're looking for in a Bible study, I'd love you to subscribe and become part of our community. Thank you so much for stopping by. It truly means a lot to me that you're here. I look forward to opening God's Word with you. And until next time, keep walking with Jesus, one day at a time. God bless you.